So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you Snapchat shortcut not working and also not showing on iPhone and Android. Lot of Snapchat users also reported to Snapchat shortcut not working and not showing on iPhone and Android. Lot of Snapchat users to say how to get back and also recover Snapchat shortcuts on iPhone and Android. Please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get back Snapchat shortcuts and also not showing problem fix on my iPhone and Androids. Now first one general solution is also update your Snapchat applications. In your iPhone as well as Android devices, open the App Store and also Play Store and update to latest versions Snapchat applications on your iPhone and Android. Second solution is most important. Now first of all open the Snapchat applications. Now capture the any photos. Now you can see also right hand side bottom send icon. In send icon you can see also Snapchat shortcut options not showing in this video. If you facing same issue on your iPhone and Android devices, so guys now question is how to fix that issue. Lot of users to say sometimes I got shortcuts options showing but still now not showing on my iPhone and Android. Now first of all update your Snapchat applications. Now tap on the search. In search you can see also shortcuts available. Now tap on the create shortcuts and select your friends and family members. Now top corner choose the emojis. Now simply tap on that and select the anyone emojis. In Snapchat bottom you can see also create shortcuts available. So guys simply tap on that and you can easily create the shortcuts on your iPhone and Android devices. Now again you can see also right hand side corner shortcuts options. Now simply tap on that and another create the shortcuts on your iPhone and Android devices. This way too you can easily fix your problems on your iPhone and Android devices. Lot of Snapchat users to say first solutions not working on my Snapchat account. So guys how to fix that issue? Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android devices. Now open the any browsers. I will open the Safari browsers and top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat support. Snapchat support too you can easily report to Snapchat shortcut options not showing on my Snapchat account. So guys you can easily fix your problems on your iPhone and Android devices. This is the best solutions for the Snapchat shortcuts not showing on iPhone and Android devices. These three solutions apply on your Snapchat and you can easily fix your problem Snapchat shortcuts on your iPhone and Android devices. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much.